So we mix the chicken feed here. So this is where we put in make our own chicken feed to feed the chicken. Yeah, sometimes we lazy, we use hand, but then if a lot in bulk, right, in batches, right, we bring it up here to process. So we mix, we get soya from the market, we get coconut santan cha, coconut, what do you call it?
Coconut husk. Is it husk?
No, shredded coconut. The remaining after they press the santan out, right? The remaining coconut, we take it from the market. Then we got some prawn shells from the factory, and then we mix together with some of the Napier grass here that we planted, moringa, and also the azolla that we planted. We're also doing BSF, black soldier fly larvae. So all these are alternative feeds, because if we buy commercial feed, 50 kilos of that commercial chicken feed will cost you around 170 ringgit, 180 ringgit, very expensive. So orang asli we can afford. So we want them to be able to bring back this knowledge to build their own in their house, in their backyards, right? So yeah, so we teach them how to make their own feeds, alternative feeds we call that. Yeah.
You educate them on that.
Yeah, we teach them on how to do that. Yeah. So the chickens that later you can see are also fed with this. Yeah. And then yeah, we also give the orang asli, bring back to their house the same system that you can see later, so they can do it, implement it, replicate it back in their own village.